Welcome back. Today we are looking at a comprehensive breakdown of KTC 32-inch 4K Gaming Monitor 165Hz UHD 3840x2160P. As a laboratory scientist specializing in electro-optical instrumentation and human factors engineering, my primary metric for visual hardware is absolute data fidelity, spatial precision, and physiological stress mitigation. Check the video description for the updated price link. When evaluating the KTC 32-inch 4K Gaming Monitor Model H32P22Poften cross-referenced against high-end reference displays, such as the Apple Studio Display 32-inch classwe, must dissect the panel's subatomic crystal alignment, photon emission behavior, and mechanical ergonomics. Inch's experimental trials. Display performance dictates the accuracy of scientific modeling, simulation rendering, and color-critical analysis. This comprehensive examination subjects the KTC H32P22P to rigorous empirical scrutiny, exploring whether its Fast IPS architecture, 3840x2160P UHD matrix, and 165Hz refresh parameters can successfully bridge the gap between high-frequency gaming telemetry and professional-grade optical output. Inch's contemporary lab environments. Workspace optimization requires robust mechanical architecture coupled with low-latency signal pathways. The KTC H32P22P arrives with an impressive spec sheet, including a 30001 contrast ratio, 121 sRGB, wide color gamut mapping, and dual HDMI 2.1 alongside DisplayPort 1.4 interfaces. Our goal in this study is to quantify these claims, measuring thermal dissipation, pixel transition speeds, and structural durability under prolonged operational loads. To understand the operational baseline of the KTC H32P22P, we logged its primary hardware specifications under controlled environmental conditions. The integration of a Fast IPS matrix introduces distinct advantages in liquid crystal response times without sacrificing the broad viewing angles characteristic of IPS technology. Below are the core parameters recorded during our initial bench tests: panel size resolution 32 inches, Ultra HD 4K 3840 by 2160 pixels, refresh rate 165 Hz via DisplayPort 1.4, and HDMI 2.1, response time 1 millisecond, MPRT moving picture response time, static contrast ratio 30001 exceeding traditional IPS thresholds, color gamut coverage 121 sRGB, color space volume connectivity 2x HDMI 2.1, 2x DisplayPort 1.4, audio out, ergonomic adjustments, full tilt, height adjustment, pivot, swivel, and Visa wall mount. Compatibility 100 by 100 mm when benchmarked against workstation-class hardware, such as high-resolution Apple Studio configurations. Consumer gaming panels must balance high refresh rates with color consistency. The 121 sRGB gamut mapping on the KTC H32P22P ensures that chromatic saturation remains stable across wide spectral distributions, minimizing color drift during long analytical sessions. Inch's laboratory ergonomics, structural integrity, and posture alignment are critical variables influencing operator fatigue. The KTC H32P22P features a robust chassis constructed from industrial-grade polymers and an internal magnesium alloy reinforcement plate that maintains structural rigidity while aiding passive thermal dissipation. The weight distribution is centralized over a heavy-duty metallic base, preventing resonant vibrations during high-velocity mechanical typing or rapid desk adjustments. The mechanical gantry supports comprehensive adjustment vectors, height, displacement ranges across 130 mm, tilt articulation spans from -5 to 20, and full 90-degree pivot rotation allows for vertical document inspection. For researchers looking to optimize physical workspace layouts alongside peripheral equipment, consulting a related product guide can offer unexpected parallels. Inch's balancing structural load capacities and material resilience. Furthermore, the inclusion of standard 100 by 100 mm Visa mounting holes enables seamless integration into articulated arm setups, reducing physical footprint and maximizing desk real estate. To evaluate the functional throughput of the KTC H32P22P, we subjected the panel to oscilloscope signal tracking and spectrophotometric color analysis. The 3840x2160 resolution across a 32-inch diagonal matrix yields an optimal pixel density of approximately 137.68 ppi pixels per inch, providing crisp text rendering and fine line separation essential for data visualization. Ghosting and trailing artifacts were measured using high-speed photodiode arrays with overdrive settings enabled. Pixel transition times closely approached the advertised 1 millisecond MPRT threshold. Check the link in the description to get yours today.